Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show us how to turn in our car testing sheets. Now, one of the things we want to do first of all is just go along the bottom and click through your tabs just to make sure you have all your information turned in as far as entered and done. Remember, you did that by watching the playlist that's on the bottom of the 8.1 assignment. Once we're done there, we made sure we checked. We are going to go up here to the File menu, click, and then select Download, and then select PDF. Once we select PDF, usually it kicks you over to here where you have this little export portion, and we want to go over here and select current sheet and change that to workbook. Once again, in workbook, you can look through and just make sure it has all your pages in there and you have all your information selected one last time before we actually export this and make this PDF. And then from there, making sure you have all sheets selected and that we have it in letter 8.5 by 11, and then we should be good to go. Hit export. After you hit export, it's generating a PDF, and it should pop up as far as probably going to get you to save it in your files on your Chromebook. On my computer, I'm going to go over and just select document so I know this thing's going, and it's already named. It should be named correctly if you change the name, and we just want to hit save. Now, you'll be able to go and find that PDF in your files and turn it into the 8.1 assignment. If you don't turn the 8.1 assignment in, you'll be missing 15 points right at the end of the quarter. Not a great time to be missing things. This is my last chance to say thank you for all your time and effort over the course of this quarter. I hope you had a good time learning different things with me. I'll see most of you again next year. Thank you and have a great day.